Hey, this is Brian with Stream Creative, and I wanted to walk through a quick tutorial to show you how to set up Google AMP on your HubSpot blog. So here I am in Content Settings, so Content and Content Settings, and then you click on Blog, and then Google AMP. That's going to bring you to this window here, and you can just click this On button to enable Google AMP. And here's how it'll look by default. So I want to make some changes. I want it to look more in line with our desktop blog, which looks like this. So I'm going to go back to Content Settings, and I'm going to load in a logo for AMP. Sorry, I already loaded it in here, so I just need to select it. This is the logo I want to use. There it is. So now I'm going to do put in some alt text. For the font, I'm going to leave that alone. You can't put in custom classes in here or your font stack. It has to be kind of some of the default ones. So I'm just going to leave that alone. For the header size, this was a huge font that was in there. So I'm going to change that. I'm going to make that actually 11. I'm going to change the background of what it looks like on top to match this black color that we have on here. So I'm going to make that actually OA, OA, OA. Then the header font color needs to be white so you can see it on the dark background. For the body font, I'm going to leave that alone. The size of it, I'm actually going to make just a little bit smaller. The font color, I'm going to change to match the rest of our site. And then the link color, I'm going to leave alone. So I'm going to hit Save Changes and preview what that looks like. And that looks more in line with what our desktop blog looks like. So that's how to do that. And if you have any questions, I'm going to include a link to our blog post about this topic. And definitely feel free to leave me a comment. Thanks a lot.